blew it up.
No way.
Yeah.
No, come on.
Yeah.
Seems like you're out of gas.
Oh, maybe. Oh, I'm dry. Yep. Short. Hey, go get me some gas. Seth, go get me gas.
No. Where?
Go get me gas.
Where?
Downstairs.
It's empty.
Is it?
I just poured it all in there. We gotta save some other stuff. Pull you back with this thing.
Are you kidding me?
We'll go get you some fuel.
Where?
We'll siphon it out of there. How you gonna siphon out of here? With a siphon! A hose! A garden hose! Somebody call for some gas?
Yeah, I had an order. Thanks for delivering it, gas man.
$50.
Wow.
Prinker got me good, guys.
Tilt it more this way.
Safety first, though.
Yeah, look at that.
You're like, that's why you wear gloves.
Yeah.
Screw you guys, gloves are for pussies.
Gloves are for pussies.
Hey, buckle your...
Buckled. Glove 1, glove 2, Kickstarter.
I don't think your wheel's balanced.
What's up, machine freaks? Welcome to part 2 of this 3D Machines production. I thought the bike blew up. Luckily, it just ran out of gas. If you start back up, let's ride. I want to thank all you guys for smashing the hell out of that like button on the last 3D Machines production. Because we hit 5,000 likes, here's part 2. Part 1 was pretty squirrely, but part 2 is even squirrelier. We're getting more confidence, we're going a little faster. Payback's a bitch, Jake. Seth makes the pass, so now he's leading. That makes the shit hit the fan for sure. The ruts are gonna screw the dirt bikers up big time. Tire's probably going 40 miles an hour, and I'm not even moving. Seth and I both thought Jake wrecked or something, so we head back to go find him.
What's the problem? We got lots of air on the back tire. This video's fake, too.
What?
This video's fake.
This video's fake?
Yeah, you're not
I know it is. This isn't real snow.
There's not two of us on here. Look at that. Seth, You're screwing up the trail for us.
Yeah, that screws me up big time.
Yeah, the two. I tried to pull over. We hit
I'm
the
like,
front track and the back one gets sucked over a dogtail down the trail.
This thing just dogtails just for the heck of it.
Mom!
That's too deep.
Why?
We can cross it.
We can cross the shit out of that.
Cross for the 2-up.
I can't even find it.
Well, I ain't tilted on its side and just rev the shit out of it. There you go. They didn't do anything.
Put a stick like
Put her in like 3rd gear.
Okay, that's good.
We're trying to find the valve step.
Jesus Christ, you think we're just clearing out the snow for fun? Are you retarded? Let's clean out this snow, guys.
Jake, don't forget your helmet. You need that for safety.
Whenever you go riding, ladies and gentlemen, wear a helmet.
Dude, this
It goes across.
Wow, mine's rock hard too. Let air out of mine. Can you hang on to my bike?
Yeah.
Are we good?
Snap.
taking her snot down there.
I hope all you machine freaks enjoyed this 3D Machines production. We're gonna go for 6,000 likes. 6,000 likes gets part 3 of this crazy adventure. Until next time, 3D Machines out.
Look how wet I am down here, guys.
Jesus, Jake, just put that thing away.
Fucking crazy.